We're almost there. We've been kayaking for about an hour now. Nice, beautiful, calm lake. It did rain and it was very adventurous. We had to get through the rain cloud.
It was like,
Bob's like really doing the most back there. I'm really not doing nothing. I probably should help him, but it's just nice just sitting here.
somebody's got to get the second shoe.
And he's gonna do it, my survivor man. So we used what is this called? Okay, so the company that we came to was the Paddleboard Orlando, and they are a private company. They have this nice lake out here.
It's critter free.
Critter free. We don't need any bug spray or anything. I do advise put on sunscreen because the sun is beaming. I may just be 5 shades blacker than what I am and he is. Yeah, by the time we get back to reality. And I mean, it's awesome. We literally paid $20 to just kayak for 2 hours.
It's a workout. So if you're not prepared to actually do some effort and work out, kayaking ain't for you. Get something with a motor on it.
Especially if you're going with a female like me that just likes to relax and hold the phone and watch the man do all the work.
See, I haven't stopped pedaling because as soon as I stop, the boat stops.
We're almost there.